Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today we had a live on my channel, Friday, April 5th, I believe. Yeah, April 5th. I don't know my days. If you missed the live, go check out the replay. It's on my channel under live playlist. I created some butterfly bows on the live with Eve Otta and Luisa, who joined us later on. I had used a die set. Let me grab the die. Where did it go? Here it is. So this is the die from My Little Crafty Shop. I was a guest designer for her. And this is the website, mylittlecraftyshop.com. It comes with a large and a small butterfly bow set. I added some of the Dollar Tree eyelash trim. This was like a while ago, a long time ago. So I pulled it out of the stash, and this is what I did. I added to the edges of the wings. So this is the butterfly with the trim. And this is what it looks like without. It's so pretty, so cute. So this is the small and this is the large butterfly bow. So I made 3 of each. And then I used the Kscraft ribbon spool, whatever this thing's called. I don't even know what it's called, guys. I recently picked this up. This is the Kscraft die set. I just purchased it through Amazon. Shabby something. I don't know. I don't like that there's incomplete names, but it's on Amazon. And then this is the Kscraft heart border, you know, ribbon spool. I don't know, whatever. I use the large and the small. It comes together in the set. And sorry. Oh, yeah. So you get large and small in this set and then also in this set. So I picked up both of those recently. This is with the large rectangle. This is the heart border. And this is the small. So that's what it looks like. And I love that you have the little slot on the top. And I really wanted to use it as a tag flip. Isn't that going to be cute with the different sizes, the different paper collections? And this is Maggie Holmes. I'm playing with the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection. This is a digital. And I used some foil cardstock from Michael's, I want to say. This is Michael. Yeah, Michael's. And then I used some pink cardstock on this one. This is just from my stash. I don't remember where I picked it up. Probably Michael's also. And you see how the tag opening has a different style. This was a triangle, and this one is like a slot. But it's still very cute. Love this. So that's what I created on the live today with Luisa and Eve. So I'll leave the links for their channels down below, My Crafty Boutique Co. and Eve Otta, A-R-A. This was what pushed me to get these dies. This was some happy mail from Eve. She sent it to me, and this is the small. So you see that? So she sent me this, and I was like, you know what? I need some of this, because when you do a swap, sometimes you want to share some trim. And this is the perfect little flipperoo for it. With hers, the paper that she used was embossed. So yeah, isn't that cute? So yeah, I'll leave the links down below for the ladies who joined me today. I hope you check out the live, and if you're new here, welcome. Join our crafty family. Hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video or when I go live on my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Eileen Payne. Yeah, and you know, that's a better way to share with us. If you crafted along with us, you can always tag me at Eileen Payne, and I'll be able to see what you all created. So thank you to those ladies who joined me, and I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.